Okay guys, so here's my current setup. I have pans and saucepans up here, and then I have some pans down here, and I do not need this much, so I'm excited for these, and let's just show you how much room they take up. Okay, so first I have all those laid out here for you. So I'm actually going to use this pan to replace this one, this pan to replace those two. I don't need those two. This saucepan to replace that one, and there's 3 saucepans here. This will replace that one, and I can also use this little thing too. It's pretty deep, and that can kind of replace that. And then I have 2 frying pans, which this one we never use. So, and then that one's barely used. So let's show you how much I'm replacing. So here it is. I actually was able to fit all of those in there. And then I don't have really anything in there anymore. I have to get rid of some of those lids back there, but overall, these I still have to go through. I don't really use these, so I'm going to get rid of them. But, okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and wash these up really quick, and then I'm going to do a couple tests for you to see if they're non-stick and if they stain. Okay, we're going to do 2 tests. See if we can do non-stick for eggs without needing butter. And then the stain test with spaghetti sauce. So here goes. Go ahead and turn it on. Now there's no butter in here at all. No spray, no butter. And here we go. This is the true test. That is amazing. Look at this. This is a nice egg. Look at that nice crispy bottom. It's so, I don't know if you can hear that, so nice and crispy. Very nice egg, and no butter needed. So now we're going to go ahead and do the stain test with the spaghetti sauce, because we all know it's tough having some white things that get stained, especially Tupperware. So let's try this out. Pretty warmed up. You can see around the edges it's starting to burn there. So let's see if it's burned the sauce into the pan or not. Let's go try it out. All right, here's the true test. Let's see if it's stained. All right, so you can see some residue in there. All right, now I'm going to try to actually wash it and see how that does. So yeah, you can definitely see the residue if you just rinse it out, but you can see the bubbles on how it shows non-stick. But let's go ahead and wash it out. There you have it. There's the true test. There's no staining at all. That you see is just, you can see the shadow here. Let me show. There you go. No stains. Still non-stick. No stains. So there's a true test. It does not stain. Definitely recommend these.